Assalamu alaikum. This is Japan, Tokyo City, Shinkansen train. Japan traveling always train. Everybody travel anywhere with train. And beautiful city and beautiful country and very beautiful beaches. I was traveling from Tokyo to Hokkaido. This lane, this track is the north side. And right now I arrival in the Shinjuku JR train station. Japan almost busy. Tokyo city, anywhere, all city in Japan almost busy. So a lot of people walk from this station and market, shopping mall, anywhere here available. I was confused. I don't know where I go because there's so many gates, so many tracks, train station and shops. So everybody come past here and they don't know how to go. But they have also direction for signboard and information desk. And this is the information desk. If you want something ask here, where you want go, so you can ask here. This is the information desk. Right now, this building from Hiroshima. There was I think is 1945, 6 August. They have nuclear bomb blast. This building only still there. Here almost all people come visit here to see this building, and they have also many people wearing a red color t-shirt about this day. That the black color, this is the bomb blast smoke here. You can see still right now the color same. There was bomb blast here, and you can see inside is not allowed. They have also this boundary. If you cannot go inside, if you enter inside, they have automatically alarm system. And they also have inside very smoking color. This building. Hiroshima, if you travel from Tokyo with train Shinkansen, you will reach about 4 hours from Tokyo to Hiroshima. Then you have to change the train and you travel with bus again. So you will reach this bomb blast building, this area.
No, it's okay already. I can be go.
So many people wearing the t-shirt red color because this day is the very bad day. Bomb blast here is the 6th August 1945. This bomb blast here, around 17,000 people died. This city. You can see very smoking building. This building is still right now there. How many years ago bomb blast, but still the bomb smoke color everything you can see from there. But inside boundary is not allowed. Alarm is a security automatically alarm. They're not allowed to anybody go inside walk. Just see from outside this building, but you can see all around rounding you can see all building from outside of this boundary. Every year a lot of people come here and visit, see this building. When you reach in the Hiroshima station railway, then after bus pick up to you, and you will reach here in the bus station opposite this building. Easy to walk, 5 minutes just you can see this building. After bus station you can see this building. And you can read here is a Japanese language also almost here writing, and some English also. You can read here, then you know how to about this story. And thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe if you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and take care.